Hello folks. So in this video I'm going to introduce sparse and dense matrix. So I will be creating a dense matrix first, and then later on I will be converting that dense matrix to sparse matrix. So let's see what are the steps here. So we will need to import a new package here. So from scipy import sparse. Okay, and then we will create a dense matrix here. So dense mat equals to np dot array. Okay, create 0 0 say 0 1, and then say 3 6 0. Say okay, so this is our dense matrix. And okay, let's provide some verbiage here. So dense matrix, and then convert dense matrix to sparse. Okay, and we will write the statement like sparse matrix equals to sparse dot csr underscore matrix and then we will give the name of the dense matrix. Okay, so dense mat, press shift enter, and then in order to print the result, let's type sparse underscore mat and then press shift enter. So you can see the 3 by 2 sparse matrix of type class numpy int 32. Okay, and it says that with 2 stored elements in compressed sparse row format. Right, so this is the way we actually convert a dense matrix into a sparse matrix. All right, thank you so much guys for watching. I will be covering the next topic in the upcoming videos. So thank you.